Hello guys! So, kwentuhan tayo today habang nagla-lunch. Ay, hindi pala. Habang nagsasnack ako guys. Kasi gutom ako guys. Tapos ito lang yung snack namin. Sisig. Sisig tas fried rice. Sa totoo lang, okay na yung fried rice guys. Pero merong sisig. Tapos ang sarap ng sisig. So, okay. Guys, alam nyo, may CR dyan sa front, tapos nasa-CR yung nanay ko.
Wala naman camera eh. Nasaan ka ba? Sabihin sa kanila kung nasaan ka.
Nandito ako sa, parang nasa, at the back of the office.
May
guys,
may small pantry. Small pantry.
Kasi guys, my mom is always prepared. So guys, sa totoo lang, wala akong mapag-usapan. Kasi wala talaga kasi
May sila ng gustong content.
Guys, please, let me know kung anong gustong content nyo guys. Para gagawin ko, para meron akong inspiration at idea. Pero for now, mag-iisip talaga ako kahit anong content na lang. Kwentuhan. And guys, bite nyo! I'm generous! Binibigyan ko kayo!
Sisig.
Okay guys. So, how's the weather there? Kasi, sa amin, confused talaga ako kasi sometimes mainit. Tapos, in the other days, grabe yung ulan. Like, ang sarap talaga matulog, no? Tapos, in the next day, pawis na pawis. Grabe. Ganun talaga yung Philippines, guys. Only in the Philippines.
No, even in the other countries, they're experiencing, climate change.
Grabe talaga, guys. Hindi consistent. Bakit kaya?
I will give this to you na kasi sa'yo eh.
Uy, tingin.
Wag kasi sa ibang company ko to, dati.
Hi guys! Ang generous naman ng nanay ko. Nagbigay siya ng t-shirt.
Ito pala,
Okay guys, ito guys. Ito yung shirt. Wow! It's so demure. Ganda naman guys. Hindi naataka siya sa nanay ko guys. Pero buti naman nag-exercise naman siya. Good for her.
Yes. Mamaya ulit.
Sa totoo lang guys, miss ko na yung pasok. Kasi wala nang magagawa. Naka-vacation na ako. Pero feeling ko parang there's more. Like, what else? Kasi ang haba pa ng vacation for me. Kasi my school starts at August 20.
18.
Ay, 18. Sorry na kasi wait lang guys ha. Nagsusubo ako guys. O sa inyo to.
Pahingin naman.
Anyways, may iniisip kasi akong movie na gusto kong panoorin sa August 20. Kaso lang may pasok ako guys. Ano ba yan? Tapos di ba August 20, it's actually my brother's birthday. So naman? So paano yun? So baka 21. Pwede naman yun. So if you don't know what is the movie I'm talking about, it's the Demon Slayer Infinity Castle movie. Sa mga Demon Slayer fans dyan, shout out! Big fan talaga ako, guys. Guys, narinig nyo yun? Oh my God! Oh my gosh! Guys! Oh my gosh! Yan yung paborito ko talagang kanta. Nung childhood, yung childhood ko pa. Whenever I hear that song, it's always when I'm sleeping. Tapos ang ganda talaga pakinggan. It's so nice to hear. Yan.
Kumain ka na dyan. Pakainin mo mga audience mo.
song title is Ika'y mahal pa rin, ata. Ika'y mahal pa rin. Oh guys, ito subo niya. Guys, ang laki nito sa tingin nyo. Pero ano, kasya to sa bibig ko guys. Trust me. Malaki talaga yung bibig ko guys. Guys, nung lunch, anong kinain nyo ba? Kasi sisig rin yung ulam ko eh. Wala akong ibang snack, guys. Ang ganda talaga ng kanta na yun.
Ano ba?
Favorite song ko talaga yun sa Tagalog.
Really?
Wala ka ngayong sa aking piling, nasasaktan mo ng puso't damdamin. Muli-muli na yung naaaminin, ika'y mahal pa rin. At ano ba yun? Magkita at madama na mayroong pag-asa. So guys, don't do that. Don't sing while you're eating. Don't be like me kasi nakakarinig lang ako ng kanta pero nakaka-distract yung pagkakanta sa pag kumakain. Sa anyway. So wag talaga kumain pag wag talaga kumanta habang kumakain. Talaga guys. Malapit na ubos yung rice ko guys. Okay. I don't know what else to talk about. And most of all nakakalimutan ko na yung ito-talk about what I'm supposed to talk about. So that's all guys. Thank you for watching my quick plan for today and I hope you have a nice day today. And
sana all nakakain na.
Oh, ito yung combination ko ng lunch tas dinner guys. I call it leaner. Lunch and dinner. Between leaner. Parang brunch. So, ayan na guys. Thank you for watching and again, please recommend me some more content that you want me to do. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching once again. If you haven't liked or subscribed, please subscribe and thank you po. Bye!